In this lesson, I will teach you how to pattern and sew a straight skirt, 2 darts in the front and 2 darts in the back, a waistband, lapped zipper, and a box pleat at the center back. This skirt is made with a beautiful woolen fabric. It's a check pattern. We'll also address matching the check and how to set the check starting at center front, so even the waistband matches, at least for a bit. The lining of this is silk charmeuse, so I will teach you about working with charmeuse. And this skirt, not being a terribly long skirt or tapered skirt, it leaves plenty of room for walking. So I've patterned the lining around the box pleat, and I will also address how to deal with a box pleat with a longer, more tapered skirt after I teach you this lesson. So now let's get to work, and I'll teach you how to pattern and sew this skirt.